Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you own a 2025 or 2026 Acura MDX and you're one of those people saying, Tom, I need Sirius XM Radio, I have a very simple solution that will solve your problem. The solution you're looking for comes by, number one, making sure that you have the Sirius XM app on your cell phone, and then you pair your phone to your MDX with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And guess what happens? There it is, right there. And that means you can still listen to exactly what you want to, even though it's not here the way it used to be. There still is a workaround for this issue. Now, one more thing I want to tell you about. Here's a big benefit. This will be more consistent than what it would have been in the past when you were using the antenna to receive the signal. Why is that? Because if you drive through a large city or something like that with large buildings that are around, or anything that would cause interference with the antenna, well, it could be a little spotty at times. When you're going off of your cell phone, you won't have to worry about that anymore. I hope this tutorial helps somebody out. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Please share this video on your timelines on social media so other people can see it. And if you would like to learn about additional vehicles you may wish to consider purchasing, check out the video that's on the screen right now, and I will see you there.